Question 16. A wooden cube with edge length 12 centimetres is cut into cubes with edge length 1 centimetre. What is the total length of all the edges of all these centimetre cubes? So what we have is a cube made out of cubes. We have 12 cubes along this face, 12 cubes along this face, and 12 along this length. 12 here, 12 here, and 12 here. So 12 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12 is the number of small cubes. So each cube has 12 edges, and each edge is 1 centimetre, so therefore it's 12 centimetres for each cube. So what we're doing to find the whole thing, we're doing 12 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12, which equals the same as 12 to the power 4. And the answer 12 to the power 4 is D, and that is the correct answer.